are looking for a business you can start with low capital and make money every day, then this video is for you. These snacks sell fast, require little equipment, and people buy them again and again. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the main topic. Number 1 is potato chips. Potato chips are so easy to make, affordable, and loved by both adults and children, which makes them to sell daily. The good thing about potato chips is that they don't stay long in the market when done well. With good quality and consistency, potato chips can give you steady daily income. Packaging also plays a big role in sales. With clean nylon and branded bags, you can sell your potato chips in shops, schools, offices, or even online. You can start this business with little capital using fresh potatoes, cooking oil, and simple ingredients, okay? Number 2 is plantain chips. Plantain chips are always in demand and can be made from ripe and unripe plantain depending on your market. This snacks has a longer shelf life, which makes it perfect for packaging and box sales. With proper slicing and frying, plantain chips will always come out crispy and attractive. You can supply to shops, supermarkets, offices, and even sell online. With consistency and good packaging, plantain chips can bring steady income, okay? The third one is chin chin. Chin chin is the most popular Nigerian snacks, which is loved by both children and adults and sells all year round. It is easy to produce in large quantities and can be stored for a long time when properly fried and packaged. You can sell chin chin in small or big packs depending on your target customers. With good taste, crunch, and neat packaging, chin chin is a very profitable snacks business. Number 4 is popcorn. Popcorn is a low-cost but high-profit snack. It is very easy to make and sells well in schools, events, and on the roadside. With good flavor and packaging, popcorn attracts customers quickly. So guys, it is a great option for fast daily sales. Number 5 is bread buns. Bread buns is loved by many because of its softness. Bread buns sells best when fresh and warm. They are always perfect for morning and evening sales. With good taste and consistency, customers will keep coming back. So guys, bread buns are good option for snacks business, okay? Number 6 is egg roll. Egg roll is a filling and satisfying snack. It is very popular in busy areas like markets, motor parks, and streets. Although it requires a bit more skill, but the profit margin is very good when made well. Egg roll is also a good snacks business that can generate good daily income. Number 7 is cake. Cake is always a snack that is in demand. Cakes are needed for birthdays, marriages, different occasions, and also for personal enjoyment. As a beginner, you can start from home and grow gradually. With good taste, decoration, and customer service, cake baking can turn into a full business. And there are different types of cake. We have the cupcakes, vanilla cakes, carrot cakes, banana cakes, fruit cakes, and so on. Cakes have high profit potentials when done well. Number 8 is cookies. Cookies is another profitable snacks business you can easily start this year. Cookies are loved by children and adults, and they sell well in schools, offices, and supermarkets. You can produce cookies in different flavors like chocolate, vanilla, or butter cookies depending on your market. They can be easy to package and have a good shelf life and can be sold in small or large packs. So guys, you can grow this into a bigger baking business over time. The 9th one is puff puff. This is one of the easiest snacks to start with low capital. It requires simple ingredients and minimal equipment. Puff puff is a very good business and you don't need to break bottle before you can start it. These snacks businesses are profitable, easy to start, and don't require huge capital. With consistency, good hygiene, and proper packaging, you can turn any of them into a successful business. Let me know in the comment section which of these snacks do you want to start with. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this. Bye for now, and I will see you on my next video.